Hey, Proxy, what's that stuff? Hey, what's that stuff? Is that all for you? Is that all for you? Yeah. What about the one yesterday? Okay, can you pick out which one has the bone in it? Or the bones? Is it a big box? What about you? You're just too lazy to go look, aren't you, Fisher? Yeah. Well, I think she found it, the big one. She's interested in that one, too. Hey, Proxy, with all this stuff, you'd think it'd be Christmas. Yeah, but it's not. Just got a bunch of stuff here for Proxy off Amazon. This is frickin' heavy duty leash. Like, check out that strapping. It's exposed too, so the dust and dirt from the beach and at my house will not interfere with that sucker. Yeah, it's like heavy duty. Couple cheap $2 bones, couple hoofs that were a couple bucks. Big bag of natural rubbers and cottons toys. Yeah, look at that, eh? Even has a little bag in there for them. So, a couple bones, couple ropes, enough stuff for her to, you know, choke on, chew on, whatever you want to call it. A couple of these guys, clicker, and some lots of harnesses here. Then I still got another 4 harnesses coming. Those guys, and got some of this guy for her, and some stainless steel food grade bowls.
Yeah, I'll do it too.
All 3 of us, eh?
Right.
Guess what?
RV footage.
Yep. Monty's disappearing right about now when the tow truck gets here. And
I got a call once we're all loaded, or and well, everything's all open up.
Yeah.
Cleared of the way, I mean.
Yeah, she's going. The only reason why she's going is, of course, the old man stopped wanting to work on it, and my dog is jumping up on the roof and pushing, trying to jump over the fence. So 332.
ACA332.
He just, his dad just bought it. They're gonna take the motor and tranny out of it and probably scrap it. So, anyways, we're just getting it all prepared here. Tow truck's gonna come towing away in. And that'll be the end of the Monte Carlo. So.
Yeah, another project we didn't finish, eh?
Project that never even started, really.
Yeah, that's true. It actually wasn't even started, so we can't say it wasn't finished.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
He's just backing up his truck here now to pick up all the loose stuff.
Is it paused?
Yeah, I think it might have been paused the whole time. Let's get a last shot of this guy here before it goes to its new home. And I thought I was going to steal those spark plug wires for my Dune buggy.
Who strapped this?
You got to crank it this way. Crank the wheel this way, Dale. Well, then you'll clear it. You'll have to. Okay, what's locked up? Just wait, Dad. Don't let it go. I don't want it rolling back into me. The front passenger wheel is locked up.
Is it?
Yeah. Go on 4x4. It'll go. Oh, it just broke free. There we go. Good enough, Dad. You need room for his tow truck to get in. Oh, lovely sound of doors creaking in the morning. I'm going to. Don't worry, old man. Okay, you're good. Yeah, it broke free there. It was just a little bit stiff. Yeah, that tire actually does look like it has air in it.
Hey, you got your phone?
Tow truck can be here in what, 5-10 minutes?
This thing is badass.
That's why we built the fence the way we did, guys, so we could just take off
cool.
that whole panel.
I like actually this side. It looks so much better. Just the roughness of it.
Up this end of the yard.
Oh,
So,
right in. There we go.
that's all up now, but
Whoa, too bright. Too bright.
I guess that's my weekend project, guys, is cleaning up the yard. But,
Take care of our engine. Especially not letting Curtis blow it up. We didn't check.
Tightish. Tight enough.
No. Are they good or not?
Yeah, they're all on it, so they'll be tight.
they should be all tight, yeah.
They're good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, look, there's rag hanging out of the floorboards.
Okay, see you guys. Time to get,
Yeah. Well, this bag here, that's all full of everything we raked up. Lots more to go. Oh, trike frames everywhere. All kinds of junk, plywood with screws and nails in it. Raked this up somewhat. Needs to be gone through still. A bunch of random chunks of metal there that I used to bang them and pulled out. Proxy found her bone she had buried for who knows how long. But yeah, oil stains, coolant stains, lots of junk here. And of course, all that has to be cleaned up still. All the chunks behind it. Ooh, that looks like dog poop. Might be. Yuck. Bunch of stuff here. She's really interested in that corner, but yeah, lots and lots and lots of stuff to do here. Because there's so much sharp shit that can hurt her that it looks like a junkyard. Sure does. And of course, all the tires and everything that was under the Monte are going over here. Roxy, what are you doing? I think she wants the neighbor's dog. He's a male. Yes, I put sawdust everywhere where the stuff was leaked. But you should have seen her a few seconds ago jumping up, climbing that frickin' shovel. Anything she can to try to get across. Well, just making a little bit of a final update for this weekend, even though the weekend's actually not even over. This garden update here. You guys can see a whole pile of tomatoes coming in there. That one's all in flower, but we got some green onions here, some carrots that aren't doing very well, some peas, beans, lots of krabi. Krabi, that's like catnip to me right there, so gotta love that stuff. A couple pepper plants here. Proxy's actually should be in very good behavior right now because she has a new toy. You guys can see it underneath there. It's not quite a toy for her. So got some wood here to clean up and a bunch of other stuff to clean up. I even was able to clean up her poop without her attacking me. So yeah, she's doing pretty well. I gotta go through all the mess in the hoard back here. Gotta clean up all that junk yet. Stuff that was underneath the Monte. And I just noticed the lawnmower's up on her toy. Yeah, I know, I just took it off your toy. Yeah, you're behaving pretty nicely right now. I haven't had to use the shock feature whatsoever, only vibration and beep. And she's doing pretty well. What we're going to be doing back here. Hey, you know what this thing is? Yeah, got it on Amazon for 50 bucks with 2 collars. Can't go wrong. Gotta haul that stuff to the dump. Proxy was chewing on the board on that motor here. But I'm gonna tear all this out, get a couple yards of yeah, you didn't like that, did you? Have it in my pocket here. Give her a little bit of a vibration. Calms her down. There's some garbage wood that was underneath here. I already took a magnet, pulled all the nails, pieces of glass out of here. That's where the Monte leaked its oil, so have that sitting there. She decided to chew up some fiber optic cable. Yeah, pretty badly. And it's all fiber cable. Yeah, I had a whole pile of this stuff here. But it's not even going to focus, is it? No. No big deal. But that was just a couple scraps. She left the long piece at least. I doubt I'll ever use that for anything. But when you get 10 yards of road fill in here, kind of do up the backyard a little bit there. Around here. And still thinking of a portable tent shed or something here. But you laying down in the water. But yeah, this thing here is pretty neat. You can see I only got it on vibration right now. That'd be shock. I only got it on number 25. Haven't even had to hit this button yet. And of course you got the beep. That was the beep. So if it'll focus. And it's not going to focus for some reason. Hey, you know what happens when you jump up on the fence, Proxy? So switch it back to vibration at 100. So works good. And the funny thing is you can hold it down. Vibration. Yeah, my smoke went out. Vibration seems to be awesome. That's all I need so far. I don't want to be shocking her. Never even tried that yet. Still got the rubber caps on it. So, but yeah, I got a little bit of landscaping to do around here where I built this fence last year. But got it double latched. I don't think she can get out, but as you guys can see, she's being actually pretty decent right now. So hope to not ever have to use the shock feature on it, but got to get rid of all this here, get some stones across here. And my idea now that the Monte's gone is bring the Dune buggy back here, sand the frame, do some wiring on it, do the brakes on it, because she can't climb on top of it because it has a frame. That's where the old shed used to be. I'm talking about back in some of my very first videos before this garage was even built. But the old shed I used to work out of, yeah, it was pretty pitiful. corner I used to have all my dirt bikes and motorbikes and go-karts and dune buggies in before I'd even started making videos. So yeah, I should actually try to find some of those old videos. Some of them are pretty interesting. A couple of me and Adam on there, but well, again, this is just a final update. AC's on in the garage, chooching like hell. And as for the Monte, if anyone wants to see some videos of it, it will most likely be stripped for parts and sold or sent to the shredder. So the parts are going into a 69 Camaro factory pace car. Maybe I'll insert some photos right about here. You got your hoof. But yeah, it's kind of nice, Proxy being on good behavior for once. It also is a scorcher out today. I'm not going to my house this weekend because tomorrow's meant to be a heat dome of plus 45. Yeah, I don't want to bring her out there. Just be a little too warm with my AC and everything. So she'll stay in here with some AC that's pretty decent. But okay, now that the sun finally went down, it's about 8 o'clock at night, I'm going to start doing a little bit more cleaning out here. You going to behave yourself, Proxy, without me here? Yeah. Yeah, don't be getting in too much trouble. Yeah. Well, off to my house. I've got to go do some stuff out there and then bring my tractor back to level out the back of my dad's yard. So, you be a good poodle. I'll be back in a day or two. Really? You guys put up a nest again? Well, it's empty. I just took one down last weekend. Like, there's the old one. There's the first one. And they put another one up? Like, come on! Well, looks like there is one egg in there. Well, I kind of feel bad now, but, well, whatever. I let them have a nice life last year. Yeah, there was one egg in it, and I didn't see it on the camera. Huh. Well, now they're going to be floating, and, oh, look, there's another egg here broken. They must not have been able to wait. They just started laying them everywhere because I broke their nest. No, that egg might have been already on the ground there, Jordan. I didn't notice. Oh, maybe. Yeah, look at that. They pooped an egg just by an accident. Huh. Whew. 33 in here. Hello, Toasty Worm. Freezer's actually pretty frozen right now. I just put a jug of water in there. See if it's going to freeze it. But the butter, anyway, the butter is rock solid. I mean, that's just butter, so that gets rock solid just in the fridge, mind you, so. But and I noticed it. I missed it again. Been meaning to go to this for a while, but missed it already. Just ended yesterday. Put that away. And other than that, Toasty Worm in there, but that's where I ended up moving that spare bed to. Like I said in the last video, got this area all cleaned up. And just out here with my brother, we're bringing the loader back. But, ooh, it's nice in here, Jordan. Yeah. Oh yeah, nice in here. That's better. So, gotta install that door frame sooner or later, but oh, so much nicer and cooler in here.
Feels air conditioned in.
I know, I got the windows open. The two on the screen room. Those are a pain to get off those wheel weights. Yes, I have to remove the dualies. Huh? Oh, horseflies are crazy, I know. Go away, horsefly. We're moving the dualies to bring it back. Need some work done to her. Our idea with the loader is to dig up all these blocks all the way, including this one here, move this entire stack across the yard and haul in 10 yards of gravel. Bring this all up, tear down that deck, level all this off here, do the driveway where I park. Also, right there is about 6 to 8 inches lower. Fix the foundation on the corner of the house. A lot of stuff that has to be done in the next month or two.